Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Fishing. On today's episode, we're in the Hinchinbrook and I got Ash Krishna out with me again. So yeah, it's the first time we're both fishing it. And yeah, we're just chasing the barramundi and jacks. Ash said he's got a few finger mark spots, but who knows? Probably not. But yeah, it's a neat tide today, so there's not much run going. It had a fair bit of rain a few nights ago, so there is a bit of fresh water pushing out, so hopefully we can fish some runoffs and catch a couple barras and maybe a couple jacks as well. And I just got the 1000, my freshwater gear, then I got the barra rod and then the egg beater as well. So I got a Vibe on the egg beater, got my Samaki 5-inch on the other, and then I just got a Pop Frog on the 1000, so that should be fun. So yeah, stay tuned. Bro, there's a million sandflies around us.
Yeah, I think you're going to say something on the sounder.
Nah, a million fucking billion sandflies. These motherfuckers. Oh, let's fucking flick this bank before we just fuck around all day trying to find this one fucking spot. Oh, look at the dirt spurred up, bro. See that? That was a barra. Meter. Oh, trevally, trevally. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, that's so cool.
Use the Vibe on it. Oh,
Oh, bust ups. Oh, oh, cod. Nice. Boist. Boist codorus. Oh shit, little trevally. I knew there was fish down there. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, nice. He's not a bad trevally too. Nice little trevally. Go back. Have you fished this creek before? Was it alright? It wasn't?
probably 4 or 5 baits. No one got anything.
What? Why the fuck are we up here then? Does it look better than last time?
I don't know, man. Different tide.
Yeah, we're probably shitter tides. Probably got less luck. Oh, yep. Oh, what is it? Oh, barra. Nice. Nice. That's awesome. Nah, don't worry about the net, dude. He's a small little barra.
He's getting ready.
Nah, don't. Oh, yeah, you can get it ready. It's a nice little small barra. That's sick. Hey. Look how healthy he is though. A nice fish. Oh, he's biting pretty hard on my finger. Take a quick snapshot. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Seriously. Oh, yep. Oh, good fish. Yep, got him out. Oh, nice. Oh, just ripping him in. Oh, how did I get him out of that? Holy dooly. Oh, he's a good jack, man.
Stonker.
I was about to say it, but
I was gonna say black earth, mate.
oh, that was a good cast too, man. That was like skip like 4 or 5 times. I'm thinking if I get a fish in here, I'm dead meat. Sure enough, I get one in there.
Shake it a bit.